Hi friends, today I am here to give seminar on the concept of rational numbers. A number that can be expressed in P by Q form where Q is not equals to 0 and P and Q are integers are called rational numbers. Example, 2 by 3 is a rational number and 4 by 8 and 0 are rational numbers. Properties of rational numbers. The closure property satisfies under addition, subtraction, multiplication, but the closure property does not satisfy under division. Commutative property satisfies under addition, subtraction, under addition and multiplication, but it does not satisfy under subtraction and division. Associative property also satisfies under multiplication and addition, but it does not satisfy with subtraction and division. Closure property under addition. A plus B belongs to rational numbers. If A is 2 and B is 3, therefore 2 plus 3 is equals to rational number. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 5 is a rational number. Closure property under subtraction. A minus B belongs to Q. A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3. 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 1. Minus 1 is a rational number. Multiplication. A into B is equals belongs to Q. A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 6 is a rational number. Division. A divided by belongs to rational number. A is 2, B is 3. 2 by 3 is not a rational number. Commutative property under addition. A plus B is equals to B plus A. Suppose A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 4. 3 plus 4 is equals to 4 plus 3. 7 is equals to 7. Subtraction. A minus B is equals to B minus A. A is equals to 3, B and B is equals to 4. 3 minus 4 is equals to 4 minus 3. Minus 1 is not equals to 1. Multiplication. A into B is equals to B into A. A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 4. 3 into 4 is equals to 4 into 3. 12 is equals to 12. Division. A divided by B is equals to B divided by A. Suppose A is equals to 3, B is equals to 4. 3 by 4 is not equals to 4 by 3. Associative property under addition. A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. Suppose A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3. Then 1 plus 2 plus 5 is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 5. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3 plus 5 is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. 8 is equals to 7. Subtraction. A minus B minus C is equals to A minus B minus C. Suppose A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3. 1 minus 2 minus 5 is equals to 1 minus 2 minus 5. 1 minus 2 is equals to minus 1 minus 5 is equals to 1 minus 2 minus 5 is equals to minus 3. Minus 1 minus 5 is equals to minus 6, that is equals to 1 plus 3. Minus 6 is not equals to 4. Multiplication. A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. Suppose A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 5. 1 into 2 is equals to 2 into 5. That is equals to 1 into 2 into 5, 10. 10 is equals to 10. Division. A divided by B divided by C is equals to A divided by B divided by C. A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 5. 1 divided by 2 by 5 is not equals to 1 by 2 divided by 5. Distributive property under addition. A plus B, A into B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. Suppose A is equals to plus 4, B is equals to plus 2, C is equals to plus 3. 4 into 2 plus 3 is equals to 4 into 2 plus 4 into 3. 4 into 5 is equals to 8 plus 12. 20 is equals to 20. Subtraction. A into B minus C is equals to AB minus AC. Suppose A is equals to 4, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3. 4 into 2 minus 3 is equals to 4 into 2 minus 4 into 3. 4 into minus 1 is equals to 8 minus 12. Minus 4 is equals to minus 4. 0 is the additive identity because if we add 0 to any number, we will get the same number. 1 is the multiplicative identity. If you multiply 1 with any number, we will get the same number. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Example, the multiplicative inverse of 4 by 3 is 3 by 4. Additive inverse means change in signs. Example, the additive inverse of minus 4 is equals to plus 4. There are infinite rational numbers between two rational numbers. This property is called density property of rational numbers. Find two rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 6 by 3. Mean method. 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3 by 2. 2 plus, here the denominators are same, so LCM is 3. 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. 8 by 3 into 1 by 2 is equals to 4 by 3. Again, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 by 2. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Therefore, 6 by 3 into 1 by 2 is equals to 1. The two rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 6 by 3 are 1 and 4 by 3. When we divide a rational number, if we get 0 as remainder, then they are called terminating decimals. Examples, 1 by 2. 2 divided by 1. If we keep 0, after 1 we'll get 0. 2 5s are 10. Here we got remainder as 0, so it is a terminating decimal. When we divide a rational number, if the remainder is not 0, then they are called non-terminating decimals. 1 by 3 is equals to 3 divided by 1 is equals to 0. Point means if after 1 we'll get 0. 3 3s are 9. Again, we kept here point, no, again we can add 1 0. 3 3s are 9. It won't stop, it will be going on. So 0.33 recurring will get. So it is a non-terminating decimal. Express the following decimals into rational form. Example is 0.4 bar. That x is equals to 0.4 bar. X is equals to 0.444 and so on. This is the equation 1. Multiply with 10 on both sides. 10 into x is equals to 0.44 into 10. 10x is equals to 4.44. That is equation 2. We have to subtract equation 2 and 1. 10x is equals to 4.44 and x is equals to 0.44. Then 9x is equals to 4.00. We can write it as 9x is equals to 4. X is equals to 4 by 9. Thank you, sir, for giving me a golden opportunity. Thank you.